Guys, welcome back to another episode. Today on this episode, we're gonna be doing some river fishing. I'm gonna try to make our way down through here. Y'all stay tuned. I hope this is worth it, guys. Let's find out. Oh man, it's beautiful. Holy cow. We're starting with the little Z-Man TRD. Just made it down here. Hopefully we can catch one. I already got one. Red eye rock bass. Man, he wanted that thing. Whoop, there you go, quick release. Sitting right in that little eddy. There's another one. Oh, come off. Dang, go. Little Z-Man TRD. I'm not sure of that color. Purple. Got a little brown on it. Looks like I guess they think it's a little crawdad. What I'm doing, guys, is throwing it up in this current and just hopping it down. And when I do, they're just picking it up. Sitting in that eddy. There's another one. Oh man, they're stacked in there. Woo! Another little smallmouth. Check that out. Man, they're stacked in there. Man, this TRD, the Z-Man stuff is just so durable. But you can catch fish after fish after fish on it. And I'm doing, guys, you see it, just throwing it out there, following it down. Fish are just sitting right in that little eddy. What's that? 3 fish forecast? I pass this place every day on the way to work, and I can see it from the road. Something told me to come down here and fish this little spot. So I went home, got the dog kennel clean, done all my honey-do list, and decided to come down here for a little while. It was stacked in there a while ago, man. Sometimes when you find these places, you have to let them rest and then come back. And they'll be stacked right back up in there again. So these smallmouth in these rivers are so current related. They'll just sit right down in the middle of that current. They don't care. I'm gonna move on up here, guys. If I don't fall and kill myself, I am. Mud's so slick. There's a log jam right up here above me. I won't hit it in just a second. Just about bet you there's a big smallmouth sitting there waiting for a big meal to come by. Oh, I thought I had one. Limb right there. Hung. Thing about it is it ain't too deep. So I can get over and get this bait back. Place for big red eye be sitting. Got one. Oh, I seen him eat it. Oh. Man, they're wanting that thing. No big ones, but that's a fish. He wasn't letting it get by him. Guys, you don't need no $100 rod to fish in the river. Just go to Walmart, buy a $30, $40 rod. Get you some good 6-8 pound test line. Pack of TRDs from Z-Man. Any color you want. I found that green pumpkin or a crawl color works best. This one here's got a little purple, a little brown on it. Looks like a little crawdad. You just find them eddies and just fire out there into them. Just follow your bait down. If there's any smallmouth in there, they will come and get it. Blast it. There's another one. No, hung. Dang. There's somebody up there on a boat fishing. love to have me a boat for the river. Some big smallmouth in here if you can get to them. Fix my bait. Kayaks, I believe. I don't know if I'd want to be on the river in a kayak. It looked to me like they was standing up fishing though. I don't know. Hell, they're standing up fishing out of a canoe or something. I'm gonna go back to that spot there here in a minute. We caught them first fish on. I got a little crankbait I might need to put on too. I don't know yet. There's one. Oh, one knocked a fire out of it. Is it still on there? Nope. Okay, I about got my worm. About got my TRD. One thing about it is I like to put a little drop of super glue. I wish I'd have had some. Sometimes you have to hit it at a little different angle. There should be fish in here where it's slack. I told me we ain't gonna catch another dang fish. Make sure it's hanging nice and straight and pretty. Switched over to the Z-Man crawl, TRD crawl. See what happens. Y'all should see that, man. That's a awesome looking bait. Stands pinchers up. Looks just like a crawl. Caught a lead. I see one big rock right out there. I'm gonna cast a hit. These smallmouth in this river relate to rock. They love rock and current because they can get them crawdads. Most important tip I can give you guys, my GoPro's about dead, is always retie when you're fishing around these rocks. Alright guys, this is a couple days after I seen y'all last. I had to come home and do some work around the house. I just want to go over my rod, reel, and line setup. What I was using. Little Z-Man TRD crawl and TRD, just a worm. 6 to 8 pound test line. Like I said, you don't need a real expensive rod. You can go to your local tackle store or anywhere and get a $30, $40 rod, as long as it's like a medium light action for a Ned rig. It'll work. So I just want to come back on here and try to finish this video. Guys, if you would, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. I'll see you guys on the next one.